Let me show you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and build an interactive performance dashboard. Go to InsightfulPipe Connectors, click the Add Connection, choose Google Analytics 4, sign in with your Google account and grant access. Choose the Google Analytics property you want to connect, then click the Select Properties button. Connected. Copy the InsightfulPipe MCP server URL. In Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, click the Add Custom Connector, paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, give it a name, then click the Add button. Click the Connect button on the InsightfulPipe MCP connector to authorize and link it. Connected. Now write a prompt asking Claude to analyze your Google Analytics performance and build an interactive HTML dashboard with KPI cards, traffic trends, channel performance, top pages, devices, locations, events, conversions, key insights, and recommendations. Here's the dashboard, InsightfulPipe Google Analytics, 4 performance, with 10 KPI cards, nearly 9,000 sessions, 5,000 active users, 22,000 page views, a 50% engagement rate, and over 600 conversions at a 6.9% conversion rate. The traffic over time section tracks daily sessions, active users, and new users, alongside a daily engagement rate bar chart. Next, traffic sources, a channel performance table side by side with a session shared donut, so you can see exactly where users are coming from. It ranks your top source medium pairs and the most viewed pages on the site. Then a devices and locations view, a device category donut, and a browser's bar chart showing where attention is actually landing. It surfaces your top countries by users and engagement, and a top events table across the property. A conversion funnel charts how visitors move from sessions through engagement and signups to purchases, with counts and rates for every step. The Key Insights panel sums it up. Organic search drives most sessions, tracking dropped sharply after May 11th, video referrals boosted engagement, conversions and pricing pages attract attention, and desktop dominates while mobile underperforms. And it gives clear recommendations. Audit the post-May 11th tracking drop first, double down on the organic video flywheel, capture high-intent referrals, and fix organic social quality, not just volume. You can download this dashboard and open it for the full view. That's Google Analytics 4 connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.